Grand Rising, y'all. This your boy Dom, aka Herbal Warrior, also part of Elephant Tribe community, along with my wife Jennifer Ravel, also gender doula and birth culture, as you know. So today, I wanted to bring you a word of the day. These are words that are from self-study of books that I read as an herbalist or an herbalism. So I just wanted to make some content, because I always love teaching and giving out information. So I wanted to make sure that, all the stuff that I'm learning, um, you know, like I said, I want to pass this knowledge on to everybody. So, first off, let's keep in mind, right? Or as I like to say, KIM, keep in mind, plants are a part of life from leaves to stems to flowers to roots to trees to bark. All of those are connected, all of it has life. And everything has energy. So call on to your plants. Now, when I say call on to your plants, that also mean that, excuse me while I adjust. There we go. So when I say call onto your plants, what I mean is your ancestors have given you from natural remedies and other resources that involves um, plants and to help you with your health. So that also means, call upon your ancestors too. Call upon, ancestors doesn't necessarily have to mean, you know, that has gone on. Nothing wrong with that, but you can still call upon them, but also the ones that are still alive today. So, just keeping that in mind as we go a little bit further. But I wanted to express how much it is important to stay connected with your cultural roots or wherever you're from, any remedies that can help you along the way because you never know, you know, what may happen in life. And it's always good to be prepared. So, we're going to be talking about the word of the day, which is alterative. Alterative are herbs that gradually restores the proper function of the body and increase health and fertility. Um, in herbalism, herbs that alter or to change the condition and tissue by eliminating metabolic waste via the liver, lungs, large intestine, lymphatic system, skin, and kidneys. So I call that the 7 ways to eliminate. That's just how I can just summarize everything. So, you know, like I mentioned before, as far as how plants are a part of life and they have everything, so as well as our bodies. Our bodies are connected in every single way. Our body works as one, right? Same thing with plants. Different parts work as one. Same with plants and body. So let's move forward with, just a little bit of some description. Lungs can help eliminate carbon dioxide. Kidneys, filter and eliminate urea, excess water, or other products. Liver processes and detoxifies many waste products by excretion, And skin sweats, which contains water, electrolytes, and some products. Intestines eliminate solid waste products that remains after digestion. So this is just a little description of what um, these organs and systems that I mentioned before, you know, of what it actually does. Now, there's a quite a lot to go in extensive, you know, information because each system function its own way. Each part of the body function its own way, but it's like I said, it's all connected and it works. So, moving on to our third uh, point here. So these are just a couple of herbs that I will mention that helps, and it kind of actually relates to some of the body parts or organs or such with your body that can help assist your body. Like I said before in the first point, call upon your ancestors, which means, whether that's meditation, whether that's books, whether that's traditions and remedy that's been passed down, call upon those things to help you function with your body well or to help, restore it. So red clover, which purifies blood, which means It rids of toxic buildup and excessive waste. Improves cognitive function. Dandelion root aids digestion, links to kidneys, liver, and gallbladder, right? And nettle, which I just learned today, is part of that actually detoxes, but it detoxes with the circulatory system. So circulatory system, that's your blood flow, right? And it stimulates the blood flow. Now I always know nettle as a great herb when it comes down to iron, like very high in iron. Usually your dark leafy greens are very high in iron. Um, but like I said, I just learned about this today as far as nettle with the books that I study. So I study a couple books, but I wanted to share. This is just a little small, little bit of information that I want to give to you guys. Um, you know, I will be doing more of these videos. I haven't, I will probably make another part two or just another video. I'll just stay tuned. But in the meantime, this is just a little mini lesson. Just a little description. I'm sorry, descriptive explanation. Just to give you guys something that you can look into yourselves. So this just can be the one step to you starting to research on your own, right? So hopefully this helps anyone, and pick it back where they left off. Like I said, I'll be doing more of these, and in the meantime, you guys have a blessed day. Oh, let me also show you the books that these are one of the books, Herbal Apothecary. This book right here. What I love about this one kind of goes a little bit into some systems and actually touches bases like on Chinese medicine a little bit, like mentions of you know how they address or what they call certain body parts or some organs and things through Chinese medicine. Also has an index, but a vocabulary of, like we're going with the herbal word of the day. I'm getting from this book here. This book, the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. This is another great book. Both of these books are great. What I recommend is just whenever you find books to give you a little bit more of the background and the description and the photo of the plant, and it'll tell you the medicinal uses and other things and such. So, that's just two books because I have quite a few. But like I said in the beginning, plants are a part of life. They are part of you. They are part of your family tree, your ancestry. So it's very important, especially with Elephant Tribe. We are very big on, passing down that notion itself, because how great and important that is. So in the meantime, you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope this helps you.